Hey, cryptocurrency universe. How's it going out there, guys? Hope you're doing good. I am today. It's the Bitcoin miner here, and I've got something a little bit different I want to talk to you guys about. It's called LBRY. You know me, I'm usually always on Bitcoin, the granddaddy, and that's usually my main focus. I've recently gotten interested in Ether as well. Um, but because as I said before, Coinbase added it to their list of coins that they offer. So I was like, there's got to be something to this. So I started doing a little research. I purchased a little bit of it, and then I actually found a deal on some mining equipment. Really not mining equipment, but GPUs. So I decided to go ahead and build me a miner, and we'll wind up being two miners. And you guys will see the videos coming up on YouTube on how I'm doing that. And you guys can follow along. And during this process, I've come across a new coin, which is, again, called LBRY. And this is something I just really feel like I can follow. I can get behind. I know little bits about lots of the altcoins, but, they never really interested me too much for whatever reason. But this one really has interested me, and I'm very interested in it. So I guess the easiest way to try to explain what it is it's more or less a decentralized YouTube. If you can think of YouTube without the controllers, more or less. You can post what you want. You can put a price on it. You can make it for free. You can. There's no like middleman. There's actually no ads. It's a very interesting concept, and it's all built on a blockchain technology, and it's kind of like using a torrent system as well, but I also like decentralized torrent because of all the data is stored on your computer and it's shared, so you're actually getting paid for everything that you download and you share out with people for your bandwidth. And then if you share content, you can put a small price on there, 5 cents. It's not a big deal. People are going to pay 5 cents to watch your video. And the artist can actually get paid for this. And it goes directly to them instead of like some of the big boys who have all the advertising and they soak up all the funds, where the artist may get trickles of money, but they don't get hardly any of it. So it's a really, really, really cool concept. Now, again, it is decentralized. From my understanding, though, is the developers do have ways of eliminating, getting rid of, hiding, not exactly sure, of bootleg content. So this is not going to be the new, bootleg torrent site by any means. This is going to be the new mainstream artist, show the world my work. This is my painting, this is my picture. And you can literally get paid for it. It's a really cool concept. So again, I'm not probably the best person to explain it. We're gonna watch this little video. I don't know if we're gonna watch the whole thing or not, but we'll start with this, and hopefully it helps explain it better.
LBRY is a new way for people to publish and share content with one another online. When I stream a film on LBRY, other viewers share a piece with me. And yet the artist stays in control. LBRY empowers creators to show their work on their terms with anyone in the world. Suppose that I want to share content. I claim a LBRY URL, upload my work, and set a price. There are no middlemen, no advertisers, and no censorship. The bottom line is that LBRY, like HTTP or Bitcoin, it's a platform or protocol that once unleashed into the world, no one will fully own or control. How artists, authors, video and virtual reality producers, how they'll use LBRY to discover and transmit, buy and sell content, that'll be up to them and the demanders of content. So watching this spontaneous order evolve, it's going to be very interesting, and I'm delighted to be a part of it.
All right, guys, that's LBRY. I'm all about it again. I'm in it. I love it. Let's see. I've even got a very, very special treat for you. I've been hanging out with these guys in their Slack channel, and for like the last week, they've been very helpful. Um, and trying to check out this and trying to check out the software and try to put upload content on there. But they have released in their Slack channel a special preview of their um, excuse me, of LBRY. I mean, it is the Windows version of LBRY. It is ready to go. This is the download link right here for the Windows version. It is actually like an alpha beta. This is like, totally alpha, but it has a Windows wallet built into it. Don't get me wrong, there's bugs. It definitely works, but you guys could check it out and see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up here in a minute. And it's cool, guys. It's really, really cool. I hope they don't mind me sharing this, but they've been posting the link, all day long. So this is the direct link where they've been posting it in Slacks. If you guys want to go join them, there are links over here in Slacks. The link to LBRY right now is right here. Select this link, guys. Make sure to use this link because I get credit for it, actually. So that way they know. You guys can get some free coins, too. So when you follow this link, put your email in and sign up, and you get 5 free coins for everybody that you also recommend. So make sure to take this link, write it down. I'll put these links down in the bottom, down here, actually, so you guys can just go ahead and click them. Both of them will be there. The download link, this will be there, and then, okay, this is something else, guys. This is an awesome miner. This guy is Wolf. I think it's Wolf Zero. Yeah, Wolf Zero on Bitcoin Talk. I don't know if you know him or not, but he's very well-known programmer. He definitely he wrote the miner. He has the miner for LBRY. If you're interested in it, he's got the platinum miner. I will go into that a little bit later on, but this is the link to his website. You guys can get some more information about it. Contact him. He's got his contact info. But it is 70%, basically 70% faster or more efficient than anything else I've seen on the market, and it uses less power to boot. So we'll get into that. But this is the download link. This is the right here. And this is, go ahead and sign up. Make sure to go to this link right here and then put your email in, which will look something like this page. So put your email here. You don't have invite code. This is what you're signing up for, so hopefully you'll get one. I think with an invite code, you'll get some free coins too, even more than 5. I think as a base. Don't quote me on that, but for everybody you sign up, you will get free coins. I think. I don't know, it's like 5 coins, I think, per person or something. So anyhow, help me out. Use my link, guys. And here it is. This is LBRY, guys. This is the first alpha, whatever you want to call it. This is the front page. This is the way that works. This is the video for LBRY. This is actually really cool. You guys need to watch this. This talks about the developers. It's really gives you a good feel about how the system works and explains. I read for days and asked a lot of questions when all I need to do was just watch this video. I got a lot of answers, so that was well worth it. Now, you guys are going to need LBRY credits, coins, whatever you want to call, in order to actually watch any videos, even the free videos, because it takes a tiny amount for the transmission. So let's see if we can find a free video anywhere. Let's just do a search for free. See what comes up. Okay, so we got one right here, 0 credits. Click download. And it's downloading. But anyhow, in order to do that, you still have to have a tiny amount. So in order to get this tiny amount, you guys are going to need to purchase some or mine it. There is other miners out there, and I'll do a video on how to actually start mining it to get you a little bit of credits. But if you guys want to purchase some, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that really quick. Why that's working on accomplishing the download. Okay. So, cool. It's doing its thing. And we'll come over here real quick to Bittrex. This is a US-based exchange. This is the one I chose to use. So you guys are going to need to go ahead and create an account. You're going to want to scroll down here a little bit and click Get Started Now. And I've already got all this set up, so we're going to want to go ahead and log in. I'm not a robot. Bodies of water. Looks like water there. Looks like water there. Verify. Okay. So I've already taken the liberty and transferred a little bit of coins to this. So this is the way this works. This is a dummy account for me. Yeah, I put a little bit of Bitcoin in here for the demo. You go ahead and create your account. You're going to go to your settings. You're going to probably want to turn on your two-factor authentication, especially if you're going to put any kind of serious money in here. I would strongly suggest that you do that. It's pretty simple. You go to Google, you search it, and you download the app on your phone. It's for an Android phone. I don't know if Apple has it or not, but I know it works for Android phones. And then it gives you a code, and you put the code in here and just kind of follow the instructions. This is your wallets. So, like your Bitcoin wallet, your Litecoin, Dodge. So really this has got, I mean, lots. Every altcoin you can imagine is in here. So this is a good way to go ahead and get your altcoins if you prefer to go ahead and purchase some. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get the library credits. That's what I'm looking for. So what we need to do is search, which is LBR. Yep, library credits. Oh, it's LBC, excuse me. So we're going to select this. This is going to take us to the chart. So we can look at this. Oh, yeah, looking good, guys. So we're going to go to our wallet, and then we have to click New Address. Okay, so this is how we get our library address, is right here. Now we need to send, well, I've already done that, but let me show you guys how to do that. If you want to send Bitcoin to the wallet, you're just going to go back over here, go to Bitcoin, and click Add. There's going to be a button, Generate, copy the address, send it to that address. You'll get the Bitcoin. As you can see right here is the deposit history. And then, once you have it in your wallet, we can go back to LBC. And now we want to purchase some. So I've got a little bit available. So all we're going to do is click Max, because I don't have much in the account. Obviously, you can do different depending on what you have. Let's go bid and ask. See, this is bid right here. This is the actual price, and this is ask. It's about 22 cents and a half per credit right now. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go with bid. Just you can do ask or bid since they're close. If you want to buy it now, you can do ask. I feel like that will come right off of this pile right here. These are the orders that are available. Like for an example, this person is trying to sell not even one BTC, but this, or one LBC. This person is selling 161 LBC. This is how much worth of Bitcoin, I believe. And some, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, over here it shows you the size, the Bitcoin value, and then this is the bids. So like this person is bidding, this is the price, 38756. This is the size, 163. See, it changes constantly. So basically, these are people bidding, and this is orders getting filled, more or less. And this is the ask, this is the bid. This is usually higher, this is lower. This is the total amount of people actually trying to buy it right now. There's that much BTC sitting in this back wall if you were to expand this larger. So let's go ahead and put our order in and see what happens. Let's do bid and buy. So now this is going to come up. It's going to show us that we're going to get 51.5 LBC, library credits. This is the cost, 0.00038757. And the subtotal commission they're going to charge us, which is not much, what, 5,000 Satoshis. That's our total. Confirm. There's our order right there with the star. Oh, we're up top now. No, we're not. We're one down. Probably should have done a straight buy order. But hopefully that fills pretty quick. Well, okay. No luck on that. Well, this is more for the patient folks. If you did ask, it would have executed it right away and actually given it to us and sent it to the account so we can see it. But I'll come back to this in a minute and see if we get it. If not, I'll cancel it and then do another one. So for now, let's go back to library. So let's see. Did our video download? Our files? Okay, here we go. Watch a video. These are just some test videos. Click download.
Ooh, welcome. Hello. It's time for Block Talk with Alex Dirt. Hi. And library.
So this is the video I suggest you guys watch. Basically covers all the guys. They'll explain who they are. Definitely well worth it. So we're going to go ahead and back out of that. And one other thing I want to make sure to bring great attention to is a way that you guys can earn library credits. And this is this page right here. You can find a link to it on their website. But, you know, if you have skills, you can earn it. They've got all kinds of ways. You got 4,000, 1,500, 1,500, 500, all kinds of different things you can do. You know, you refer publishers. So if you know somebody that does stuff, all you got to do is just refer them. You make 100 credits at 22 cents a piece. You know, 100 credits, 0.22 times 100. That's $22 just for making the referral. I mean, that's not bad at all, guys. So, I mean, this is a really cool platform. I mean, you can create images, so you're good at logos. Can you do coding, add support for Torrent? I mean, there's a lot of stuff that's available. Can you write broadcast? Can you be a community rep? There's custom projects. I mean, is there something that you're good at that you can offer the community? I mean, guys, we need to really help support them. I mean, so hopefully you've been following along this time. I mean, I've been talking for 19 minutes so far trying to show you guys all of this. But make sure to give them your support. Go to their Facebook page, go to their Twitter page, and do that. And they will definitely appreciate it. I know, again, I'm sorry the video is dragging out, but there's a lot to cover with this. So I'm hoping some of this has executed it, and it has not. All right. So what we're going to do is go ahead and cancel this. Then we're going to try to redo it one more time. Click max again. But let's change price into ask, and then buy the credits. Okay, here we go. 18, partly filled. So they're filling right now. So we got 18 of the credits available. Well, we'll see. Slowly, hopefully they'll meet somewhere in the middle. Oh, we're at the top. It's a bid right here with the other 30. Okay. All right. We'll come back to that and see if we actually get these credits. I'll show you guys how to transfer it over. Oh, I think it just filled. Some of them filled. But anyhow, close enough. So now that we're in here, we're going to have to come to our wallet. And we're going to want to go to receive. And click generate. Take that address. Come over here. Well, we've got to wait for it to finish. And yes, we got all of them that we wanted. So we're going to take this. Then we got to go to our wallet. Then we're going to click the minus button. We're going to send it to our address here. And then click. Oh, we got to click the amount. So we want to do all of it. Is there an easy way to do all of it? Yeah, perfect. So now we just did all of it. Click withdraw. It's going to cost us a little bit. No problem. Confirm. Go. So it's a 2.5 minute block time. It should take about 2.5 minutes or so to show up in your account. And then you guys will have some library coins. And it's will give you an opportunity to check out this network and see how everything's going to works. And even if you guys have watched this video this long, I'm going to do a special. Since you've watched this video this long, the next 20 people that post their go through this setup and actually post receive a new coin, I'm going to send you a free half a credit just so you can use it. You don't even, it won't take you any money or anything. So I'm going to give out 10 coins for free to 20 people, half a coin each. So all you've got to do is go to the comments, take this, post it down at the bottom, and say, this is your wallet address, whatever. So next 20 people over however time, I'll go ahead and give you guys a little bit of free just for checking, staying with me and checking it out. So I showed you guys a quick bit how the video system worked. You can skim the system. Publishing is all up in here. You pick the name that you want, browse your file. You pick the how much you want to bid. Just go with one for now. It's early, but if it's a hot name, people can outbid you. It's kind of like the way the system works. Settings. If you want to see X-rated content or whatever, you can click this. If you don't, it blocks it. This is where you can change your directory. There's some help in here. Again, guys, this is really early look at this. This is very premature. This is very early. So make sure to come check this out in Slacks. I've been hanging out in there the last week or so with these guys. They're really awesome. If you have any questions, run across any bugs, hey, feel free to help them. They're always tipping in the channel too, by the way. They're giving out, they give out free coin, sort of. So like if you're helpful or whatnot, if there's stuff they may ask you to do, you might have an opportunity to receive or earn, earn free coin. So think about that as well, guys. So I hope you like this introduction to LBRY. Again, if you're interested in actually mining it, the best and only miner I would use is Wolf's Miner. This is his page again right here. This is how you get to it. I'll put the link down at the bottom, along with the other link for you guys to sign up with your address, and then also the link to the download. And I also wanted to show you while we're on Wolf's Miner what it's actually doing. Okay, I know this is really small. Hopefully we can see it though. Okay, this is the link here to his website. Okay, well, I've got this in going. So right now, this is a single graphics card. This is a Sapphire R9 390X. It is pulling just on a single board 333 watts of power, and it is producing 160 megahertz. Totally awesome. There's another miner that, again, I'll do a review, guys. Free, but this one's totally worth the money. The free one's, I'm going to show you the free one and go give you guys a quick demo on all that in another video. But this one is just totally worth the money. It's awesome. It literally does. The other one does a 90 on the exact same rig. I think I get 90 megahertz versus 160. So, and it uses 35 or so, 40 less watts of power. So if you're interested in mining and checking it out, this is the way to go. I'm really into this coin. There's a lot going on. Oops, we don't want to go to orders, wallets. And you guys can check out the chart. I don't know if you guys are interested in doing charting. I know a little bit about charting. I can do videos on that. So let me know if you are interested in it, and I can try to add some chart videos. But so right now is really a good time to look at this coin and get into it. This is when it first came out. This is when it raised. It fell down. It got cheap enough. People really got interested in getting back into it. I mean, anything in this area, to be honest with you, is a good price. Anything in this area is a really good price for this product. It's up almost 4 times right now. So if you would have purchased some couple days ago, maybe 3-4 days ago, you would have made 4 times your money whatever you purchased. So if you like the product, you might want to get a couple hundred coins instead of 50 or so. But anyways, it's up to you guys. I just wanted to share my knowledge that I've learned so far on this and talk about it briefly and try to expose you guys to it. So talk to you later on. Thanks for watching. And again, if you guys like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, go ahead, give me a thumbs down. What can I do? It is what it is. You're just going to have to try to teach me how to make a better video, do the best I can, and teach you guys this stuff. So, all right. Let's talk to you guys later on. See you in the next video.